Hello, little artists! Today, we're going to draw and color this adorable bunny surrounded by gifts and a cute chick on top. Isn't that just so sweet? Let's start by drawing the bunny, the gifts, and the chick. Grab your pencil, and let's begin. Now for the fun part, coloring. Start with the bunny and color it white. The gifts can be red with green ribbons, and the chick should be yellow with a cute pink cheek. The heart can be red to match the gifts. You're doing an amazing job. Keep coloring. Look at that! Our bunny with the cute chick and gifts looks adorable. You did such a wonderful job today. Keep practicing, and you'll keep getting better and better. See you next time for more fun drawings. Hi, little artists! Today we're going to draw and color this adorable chick and chicken driving a cute pink car. Isn't that fun? Let's start by drawing the car and the cute characters inside. Grab your pencil, and let's get started. Now it's time to color. Start with the car, color it pink, and the wheels can be yellow. The chick should be yellow with pink cheeks, and the chicken can be white with a red comb. The license plate can be white with the word nice in yellow. Keep going. You're doing great. Look at that! The chick and chicken are all ready to go in their cute pink car. You did an amazing job today. Keep practicing, and you'll keep getting better and better. See you next time for more fun drawings.